My dear wife has gone on strike as far as washing my filthy workshop pants are concerned. And I guess I can't blame her. So I'm just gonna have to do this the forest engineering way. I'm gonna employ some high pressure. Who needs a washing machine, man? Yeah, so lying the pants down on a flat surface actually works a whole lot better. Except I couldn't see so well there in the shade. Now I think I've got the ultimate solution. Got it hanging across this white bonnet. Don't go too close with that nozzle, eh? I mean, I am already starting to create designer jeans here, removing some of the color. But if you go too close for too long, you will actually remove some fabric forever. Oh dear. It maybe does not work so well on a sweater. I think we should stick to denim articles. Okay, so I've got my pants here hanging on a typical African washing line. Now we'll just let the good old solar dryer do its thing. And I tell you, between a sun and a bit of a breeze, who needs fabric softener? It's perfect, man. The natural way. So ever since I started this YouTube channel, my wife has had this concern. She said, you guys will think that I wear the same pair of pants in every single video. Now we forest fabricators don't care much about stuff like that. But to answer the question, I've got at least 5 or even 6 pairs of these jeans. So no, I do not wear the same one in every single video. There you go, my lovey. Now everybody knows. Here is my T-bone steaks of the future. Freshly pressure washed workshop jeans, complemented by my latest t-shirt design. Dressed for the kill, man. If you like the t-shirt, check out the merch bar below the video where you can get one for yourself. If you are in South Africa, drop me an email and I can sort you out. I'll put the email right here on the screen. So my filthy workshop pant is not my wifey's problem anymore. And what's that saying? Happy wife, happy life. And I did not use any washing power. There's a saving right there. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I enjoyed your company. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a lekker one, man.